Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your Samsung Galaxy A17. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So our microphone port is right at the bottom here. What are we going to do is we're going to clean it with an air compressor. This is definitely one of the best ways to clean it. You can try using a soft brush for an example. It also works, but the best results I've gotten was with the air compressor. What are we going to do next is we're going to go over into the apps right here. You should have it in your Samsung folder. Go to voice recorder and click while using the app, allow, and now we can start talking. As you guys can see, whenever I stop talking, the lines will go straight. And now when I start talking again, when I stopped here, when I started here, we can see that the microphone is definitely catching it. We can also save the recording and then talking, as you guys can see. So it definitely works. If it's not working for you, what you guys want to do is go over and restart your phone to refresh the system. So we're gonna press the power button, the volume down button at the same time for around 3 seconds. Let me quickly just do it again. As you guys can see, we're finally here. We're gonna tap restart twice and the phone is now restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what are we gonna do? As a last resort is update our software. So if you have software ready to install, as you guys can see, it will pop up straight after restart. But if you want to check it, you can go over into the settings. In the settings, what are we gonna do is we're gonna scroll down. You can do that just all the way, click on software update, and here click on download and install. As you guys can see, you should have the same thing here. We can click on install now, and as you guys can see, it's restarting because it's updating our software. So that's how you guys can fix your microphone not working. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.